I should make a Life of the Showgirl slime. I absolutely have to. I have all of these charms and the perfect glitter. And my nails are the Showgirl theme. Let's make the most iconic slime. I'm gonna begin with my slime making station. Let's do some clear glue. We need some clear glue. It's a slow spout, but it works every time. And once you have your clear slime activated and cleared, I have all of these super cute charms that remind me of Life of a Showgirl aesthetic. We're going to begin by adding in this orange glitter. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Mix this together. Wow, it's very activated. By the way, you can find my Life of a Showgirl inspired slime in my slime shop, shopnicolejacqueline.shop. It's always linked in my bio. I'm gonna add on some of this fine orange glitter. I'm gonna add this little charm. I just love this one. It's like a little ball of yarn for her cat. I love these. The star, the Showgirl. Is that a peanut? I guess it could be like circus. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest Showgirl in. This was literally so fun. So much fun.